Breaking news. Outbreak at Camp Eagle Ridge.
Good evening. I'm Ann Corman with KIDS News. We begin with breaking news from Camp Eagle Ridge, where several campers have suddenly fallen ill. Campers have reported fevers, stomach cramps, and some even needed medical attention after lunch. Officials say the source of the illness is still unknown, and a team of student disease detectives has been called in to investigate. Now, the investigation begins. The question on everyone's mind: what is making the campers sick, and how can it be stopped?
Your team has just arrived. You are about to begin a real outbreak investigation, just like the ones done by public health experts. To solve this outbreak, you'll need to follow the same 10 steps used by real epidemiologists. Each step is important, and skipping one can lead to wrong answers, missed cases, and more people getting sick. Let's walk through them one by one. Is something really unusual going on, or is this normal? You compare the number of sick people to what's expected. For example, if one camper gets a stomachache, it might not be an outbreak. But if 15 kids get sick in one day, something's wrong. Just because people are sick doesn't mean they all have the same thing. You might do lab tests to confirm what kind of illness you're dealing with. It could be food poisoning, or it could be something else entirely. You need to decide what counts as part of this outbreak. Maybe it's anyone at camp with a fever and stomach cramps starting on Monday. That definition helps you know who to include in your investigation and who not to. This is where your detective work really begins. You look at when people got sick, where they were, and who they are. You draw charts, make maps, and spot patterns. This helps narrow down the source. Now you come up with your best guess. Maybe it was the cafeteria lunch. Maybe it was lake water. You say, we think this might be causing the outbreak, and then look for ways to test it. Then you test your idea using data. Were the people who got sick the ones who ate the chicken sandwich? What about kids who didn't eat it? This step helps you see if your hypothesis really makes sense. If your first idea doesn't hold up, don't give up. Go back, ask new questions, and collect more clues. Maybe you miss something important, like a shared water bottle or cabin bathroom. Once you think you've found the source, take action. Maybe it's removing a food item, cleaning the kitchen, or posting hand washing signs. Even before you're 100% sure, if it helps keep people safe, do it. Now it's time to share what you've discovered. You might give a presentation to the camp director, write a report, or hold a press conference. Public health means protecting people, and explaining what happened is part of the job. These 10 steps will guide your investigation of the Camp Eagle Ridge outbreak all week long. Get ready to analyze data, search for clues, and stop this mysterious illness.